So the reason why I've come out for a ride today is to have a look at a new tunnel. I'm dropping in speed a bit because the wind, and now you can probably see it in the distance there. So I'm on the A3 and they built this new tunnel. It's not necessarily a shortcut, it's more of a bypass, but it cuts through a natural feature called the Devil's Punch Bowl. Now I've never been through it before. Like I say, it hasn't been open that long, and it's got an average speed check through it, so I've got to keep the speed down. Or rather, got to keep my speed at an acceptable rate. I apologise. Like I said, I've never been through here, so the whole reason of this little trip is to just come and have a look at this. It's a few years in the making, and it's only been open a couple of months now. And well, it's a tunnel. It has got a 70-mile-an-hour speed limit down it, but I think most people are going to be a bit wary travelling through it simply because of the average speed check. But it's quite pretty for being a new tunnel. Surprisingly, the road surface is a bit rough, sending right vibrations through the bike. Not much more I can really say about it, sounds good. Except for it's one of the longest tunnels in the UK, which compared to some of the tunnels I went through in America when I was there on my last trip, it's quite short. I might actually keep going all the way to Portsmouth today. I don't know if I'm over halfway there. What I'm going to do is actually, because the weather's turning, I'm going to turn and go home basically. Bit of a wrong gear there, never mind. Actually, it does make a big difference to the there's a Devil Punch Bowl road which is right across the top here. It's quite a slow road and it's only single lane each way, so it is making quite a big difference. And it seems like people coming back through it realise they can do 70. I'm guessing a lot of the Sunday drivers are like me, they're going through it for the first time, a bit wary of the speed cameras, or the speed check, shall we say. Which is, in all honesty, in a place like this, it's a bloody good idea. Because all it needs is one little accident, you could have a major disaster. Imagine a fire down here. So, not that long ago, well actually it's a couple of years ago back now, there was a bad fire in Russia in one of these sort of tunnels. A lot of people lost their lives simply because the fire would stay here and all the cars behind you were continually backing up into it. up into the fire. And just, you know, more and more cars got involved and more people died, unfortunately, because they couldn't get out because the fire in front of them, and then more cars and crashes happened behind them, and before you know it, there's like, you know, a multi-car pile-up and a lot of people involved, unfortunately. But one of the things I forgot to bring out with me on this trip today is my bloody earplugs. I know in some of my videos I bang on about, you know, wearing all the right gear, and one of the things I've forgotten to mention are earplugs. And it's going to tip it down, so end the vlog before I go home fast.